What is going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Another trip, another 3 hours we gotta kill. We out here on Santee again, trying out a different launch this time. I've been here one time. That's actually where I caught that first fish on that Mega Live at. So we came out here to see how things are. So we're gonna get it going. Like I said, we got about 3 hours to get it going. Hopefully we catch 1 or 2 fish. It'll be good. But y'all come along for the ride, man. All right. Come on, Nick. Girl built like an anvil, boy. Try to get a little bit of frogging done before I make a little run. I'm mad because I forgot my frog box. I got this one frog, and if for whatever reason I lose it, it's a wrap, man. I thought I had all my frog boxes. I mean, my frog box with me, but I don't. So we just gonna have to hope we don't lose this one. There's tons of grass in here, man. I remember coming here before saying the same thing. I love fishing grass, but what I love more is actually catching fish in the grass. There's gotta be something up in here. This stuff is thick though. But I do want to make a nice little run. I should get going. I don't really have a whole lot of time. Oh, shit. Little baby gator. See, you can't throw top water around these little baby gators, man. They'll come get them, dog. But I will say this though, gators around, I might be able to find me some fish. All right, enough of that frog. Let me go ahead and try to make this move that I want to make. Big fish. Another bowfin. That's a big ass bowfin. Yeah, some of these bass already spawned out, man. I got a fry garter over here. It was a... Oh, it's not even a bass. It's a stupid pickerel. Get off my crap. There I was thinking, maybe that's what spawned. Maybe them things spawned. He had stripes on him. And from what I know, from raising fish, is they get their breeding colors on. It might have been what that was fryer from the chain pickerel. Perhaps. I mean, I'm just guessing here. But his colors were pretty bold, so it tells me that that's probably what that was. And we'll see. If I make him bite again, then I know that's what he's guarding. He's guarding those fry. That grass. Oh, that's a good one. There we go. There we go. All right, that is a slab. Oh my goodness. That's a good fish, man. Oof. There we go. That one make the trip worth it, man. It's about 20 inches, 3.5, maybe 4 pounds. We are gonna weigh it. Oh, she got that good. I didn't even have a front joint running, I don't think. Oh man. Oh yeah, trying out a new trailer. Trying out those what are these called? The Z-Man Spike, Chatter Spike. Trying that out today. Let's see if my scale working again. I brought it. I ain't gave up on it. I did buy a new scale though. Okay, we on. Let's see what we got here. We got us a 4 pound even. Huh? Good fish, man. Like I said, it's guarding that fry down there. There's a bunch of fry. I thought it was the fry of the pickerel. All right, nice little 4 pounder, man. I ain't bring my board, but she's every bit of 20 something probably. All right, girl. Go back in there. Sorry, messed your day up. All right, we'll keep going with the chatterbait. We got about an hour and a half left. I wish I could stay longer, but it's all the time I got, so we're gonna just make the best of it, y'all. All right, guys, I think I'm about to call it. It looked like some rain, thunderstorms coming. I don't want no parts of that right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and beeline it out of here, man, before it show up on me. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and pull up out of here, man. I don't like what it looked like was coming. I don't wanna be caught up in it. And I gotta go anyway, so just go ahead and make that call and get up out of here. Thank y'all for watching, man. I know a short video today. Sorry about that. But we did catch a fish, and it was a good fish, so I guess it was worth it in that regard. But time for your boy to roll, man. Hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this really short video. Leave me a comment, as you know I'm gonna get back to you. And hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. I'll see y'all on the next one, man. Next video should be, I don't know, Murray somewhere probably. Y'all take it easy, man. Peace.